Hello students, welcome back. So in this session, we are going to be covering Python operators. So specifically, this session is about arithmetic. So in arithmetic operators, you have addition, you have subtraction, you have multiplication, division, you have float division, you have remainder, and then you have exponentiation right here. So let's look at each one of them. So let's start with the addition. Let's say my x equal to 6 and my y equal to 5 and my result equal to x plus y. By the way, RES is for a short for result. So if I print my result right here, it's going to give me the answer is 11. No surprises over here. By the way, I can also do the same thing without using my result over here. I can just print my x plus y directly inside my print statement. So this is my x equal to 6, my y equal to 5, and I'm printing directly my result inside my print statement. So I'm not using this variable over here. If you don't want, you can print directly like this. So that's fine too. Okay, so I can print like this, or I can also use my f string right here. Okay, so this way I'm using my f string. So when I run this, it gives me the answer 11 right here. And my f string over here, I'm putting my variable that arithmetic operation inside my curly braces, and that's gonna print. That's gonna evaluate this result right here. Okay, it's gonna print answer 11. Okay, I can also do subtraction multiplication. So let's say my x equal to 6, my y equal to 5, right? I can print x minus y. I can print x times y. So if I run this, it's going to give me my x minus y is 1 and x times y is 30. No surprises here. I can also perform normal division, modular division, and remainder division. So let's say my x equal to 17 and my y equal to 5. And let's run this thing. So x divided by y in this case, right? It gave me 3.4. What about this right here? This is called modular division. Another name for that is a float division. So what's happening is this over here. Basically, I'm just taking this 17, right? This is my 17. And 17, when you divide it by 5, so 5 goes into 17 by 3. Okay, 15 right here, and your remainder is 2. This right here is called is the result of your float division. Okay, that's what that is. This float division, okay, this actually gets you 3, and this is why you get this 3. This print statement, it prints out 3 over here. How about this right there? This is called remainder division. So this is my remainder 2 right here. Okay, so this 2 gets printed right here. So to access that value, or if you want to see when you divide two numbers and you want to find out what the remainder is, you can use this remainder division right here. Okay, so this is how you get your remainder and your quotient right here. Okay, then you have also exponentiation operator. So exponentiation basically is two multiplication sign back to back. Okay, right after one another. So in this case, let's say my x equal to 3 and my y equal to 4, and I want to do 3 to the power 4. So something like this. I want to perform 3 to the power 4, and the answer is going to be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. All right, and you can evaluate this thing. The answer will come out to be 81. So let's say I want to perform this operation. So to do this thing, you do x multiplication to the y right here. Okay, that's going to print 81. So this is called exponentiation operator. Okay, so basically you're taking two multiplication sign, put them next to each other. Okay, and then let's increase the power. Let's say my y now, instead of 4, I'm changing it to 40. I wonder how far can it go? Oh, look at that. It printed y to the 3 to the power 40. Let's crank this thing up a little bit up more. Now I want to do 3 to the power 4,000. Let's see what it does. Oh, look at that. It printed, this is my result, 3 to the power 4,000 right here. All right, so I hope this session helps. Thank you.